Hello, I'm Tony Jones. I'm a British Gas Heating Advisor. I'm here today to talk to you about how you decide to change your gas boiler. The actual main common reasons why people look at changing their gas boiler is the boiler becomes problematic. People's fuel bills go higher and higher because of the age of the appliance, and people do start worrying about obtaining spare parts for their current boiler. After a certain age, it can be very difficult to get replacement parts, so people look at changing the boilers then. The average age of a quality gas boiler is about 15 years. The actual warning signs of problematic boilers usually is if the appliance is breaking down more frequently than normal. If you're finding that you're calling an engineer out once or twice a year, that's a good sign that something isn't right with your current appliance, and you should consider talking to a heat advisor about replacing your boiler. The next steps after you've decided to change the boiler is to phone up British Gas, ask for a heating advisor to come around to see you. The heating advisor is a free, no obligation service. We'll come around to your property and come and discuss what's available for you moving forward.